We have the integral of sine to the 7th power 2x times cosine 2x, and what this jumps out to as me is a clear u-sub opportunity because we have something and its derivative. So what we can do is we can let u equal sine 2x, and then we can differentiate to get du, which is 2 cosine 2x, by doing the inside times the outside, and this has a dx at the end. And so what we're looking for is cosine 2x dx, and so to get that we have to divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2, and now we have cosine 2x dx. Moving along, we can now rewrite this integral as 1/2 times the integral u to the 7th power du. And now we just need to integrate. So we'll move along and we'll say 1/2 times now u to the 8th power over 8. And because this is an indefinite integral with no bounds, we can add a constant at the end. Finally, we just need to distribute the 1/2 and then resubstitute in our u value from up here, and then we'll be done. So what we've got is u equals sine 2x, so we can rewrite this as sine to the 8th power 2x, and then distribute the 2 over 16 plus c. And that is the solution to our integral. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to work through, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.